Hello and welcome back. So, when I wasn't recording, I was messing around with addressables, and now I'm able to get prefabs from a server, and also I'm able to get prefabs from the editor. So I can host the assets in the editor and modify them in the editor and then restart the application and it'll load it. There's probably a way to load it without restarting the application, which I'll do maybe later. But right now I'm changing the VR camera to a normal camera, the normal camera to a VR camera, so I can replace the VR camera rig prefab, just in case I want to adjust the height or something. So that's why I just started writing this code. So that's what I'm going to do. Put this, just spawn the VR camera instead of putting it in the editor, so I can use the addressable. Alright, so I found out why it was doing garbage collection. I think it was doing garbage collection because it was trying to load this prefab, but this editor server wasn't up, so it just kept on trying and trying until it didn't get it. So I had to start hosting before it appears. Alright, so the sky is blue, as you can see from the preview in the bottom left, but I also brought it here, so you can see the sky's blue right now. Now if I change my prefab, let me open my prefab, let's change this to a dark red. Now if I go to build for content update, find this addressable state for the platform, which is Android, which is Oculus Quest is Android, as most people would know that are developing for it. So we just do that build, and it'll create a new bundle. So the time is 3:43. Alright, so it's like, where did it create it? It creates it wherever the, hold up, I know where it is. Hosted data. Or wherever you put it in here, I guess. Yeah, there you go. 3:44 p.m. 3:43 p.m. So it makes this bundle and it replaces this hash, this catalog. So it replaces these two files and it creates a new bundle with your changes. So now if I just restart the app, it should have a red sky. Now as you can see, it's now red. So I can modify this, put any scripts on it, and I just have to restart my game and it'll give the changes, which will make iterating much more easier. Now I'm going to do the same with the other script, with my spawning script, because I remember there's a way to load a bunch of addressables, like iCatalog or something. I was supposed to make a terminal today, but I guess I'm doing addressables again. I think I should get the video. Run this. You're gonna do your addressable. Alright, so I'll probably do something like this. Get a key and a label for each key and label. Actually, I should probably find a way to get a catalog. So these three videos will help a lot in understanding addressable. iResource location. So I need a list with iResource. I guess it doesn't exist anymore. I'll just type in, see if it comes up in the obsolete thing. I'll check the changelog and iResource location should still be there, but why? Oh wait, resource location. It's a class now? Resource map. Let's see. Resource locators. So it's probably just in a different place. Resource locator. There we go. Let's make a new label for bubbles. Load assets, iResource location. Okay. So I guess in start we'll just do spawnable dot load as. Oh wait. Symbols, load as spawnable. Oh, I resource location. Spawnable null dot plus equals. Let's comment all this out. Void load spawnables. A operational game object. Maybe that'll work. That's obsolete. I'll load assets async. Oh wait, action. I resource location. What can we do with this location? Alright, so I have to go to a VR meetup soon. Yeah, I'm gonna eat before that. So I'm gonna end this now. But when I come back or tomorrow, I'm gonna continue with this async load spawn with the spawnables. Until next time.